How to make a man go weak in the knees for you. Hey there, single ladies. Charming a man isn't as difficult as you think. You only need to learn the basics and grow from there. He'll be under your spell in no time. Well, is it possible to learn how to make a man go weak in the knees for you? It may make you desirable in his eyes, whether you're trying to catch a man's attention for the first time or just adding some spark and passion to an existing relationship. You may make a man fall in love if you break through his emotional barrier and make him feel an overwhelming attraction to you. So here are a few methods to make him actually weak in your presence and crazy about you, even when compared to all the other women he encounters. 1. Be high value. Being high value is the most important factor. The fact that you're this valuable woman to him is what makes him feel like you're right for him. And this fantastic, awesome lady with whom he's madly, passionately, and profoundly in love. You have something unique about yourself. You enrich and improve his life. You want to be valuable enough that he feels compelled to work hard to get you, right? He wants to feel like you're someone he should work hard for, pursue, chase, and desire a true relationship with. But not so much that you're entirely out of his reach. One extreme is being so entirely available that he doesn't feel like there's anything unique going on with you. The other extreme is, I'm so busy, I have so much going on, and I'm so high value that you'll never get, reach, or end up in a relationship with me. Neither of them is an ideal place to be while you're in a relationship with the guy. 2. Be fiercely independent. A man is most attracted to a woman who appears hard to catch, as in difficult to pin down and interested in a long-term, stable relationship. If she appears overly excited or prepared to change her life to satisfy the man, the attraction is weakened. A man finds it difficult to believe that a woman is strong, independent, and joyful in her own life. It implies he'll have to work harder to get her attention, and eventually her commitment. And when a man works more, he gets that attention, and he truly feels as though he is with someone special. 3. Reflect his masculine confidence with feminine confidence. Feel attractive in everything you say and do. Project that you are valuable. Don't try to fake confidence. It's always preferable to be confident in your looks, since you work hard to look your best. It's also preferable to speak confidently after you've accomplished something and made your life complete. If you are self-conscious, it is very likely that you have not spent enough time building your goals, self-improvement, and life passions. Spending some time thinking about what makes you happy and how you can assist others, living life to the fullest, will help you project a more confident aura that men notice. That's what he needs to experience that butterflies in the stomach attraction. The concept that you're top tier, far better than an average woman that deserves the best. 4. Master the art of mystery and unpredictable reactions. Guys will chase any beautiful woman, right? Maybe. Yet they'll only be charmed by a fascinating and unpredictable woman. The more ladies he dates, the more he learns how many of them are the same. They're also not very emotionally engaged. When he meets someone special, it is the polar opposite of his typical date. He encounters someone who is strikingly different from the others. She is never dull. She never tells him everything. She exudes mystery to keep him wondering. Sometimes, mysterious implies withholding information. Sometimes, that involves doing the opposite of what he expects you to do. Sometimes, it involves putting him through a small amount of testing to see what he'll do or say if you treat him harshly. So many girls make the mistake of being high maintenance, believing that his continual attention would keep him interested. Wrong attitude. Men hate predictable effort. They crave challenges. They enjoy battling hard and not knowing what to expect. It adds to the excitement of the reward. 5. Leave in craving for more. Finally, rather than overstaying your welcome, always leave in wanting more. You can get the impression that he wants to talk more or that he needs you to stay longer, but don't believe it. When a man wants you to stay, he will beg you to stay. Otherwise, it's smart to go early, leaving him wanting more interaction. And remember, if he wants more closeness, more passion, you can always drive him away by denying him sex for a time and giving him that come hither look that says, of course, I'm thinking about it, but I'm resisting you. Well, that's all about it. Thanks for watching.